Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, how big is a kookaburra? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. Kookaburra is a species of kingfisher native to Australia and New Guinea. These birds are known for their distinctive calls, which sound like loud human laughter. Kookaburras live in trees near ponds, rivers, and streams. Kookaburra is a large species of kingfisher. Kookaburras range in size from 28 to 42 cm, 11 to 17 inches, 30 grams in weight, and have distinctive brownish-grey feathers with a white chest and bright blue tail. What is the average size of a kookaburra? Kookaburras are the largest species of kingfishers and can have an impressive length of up to 46 centimeters from the tip of its beak to the end of its tail and a weight of up to 30 grams. A full-grown kookaburra is typically around 17 inches in height. Kookaburras may vary in size depending on the subspecies. There are 4 different subspecies of the kookaburra, which display slight size variations. The laughing kookaburra, Dacelo novaeguineae, is the most common and widespread species found throughout Australia. This species can reach up to 42 centimeters in length and has a wingspan of up to 81 centimeters. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words, and I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.